So the types of vesicles, that means the vesicles which contain neurotransmitter, they are mainly three types. One is the small clear vesicles, another one is the small dense core vesicles, and another one is the large dense core vesicles. Okay, so look at this. So small clear vesicles, small dense core vesicles, and large dense core vesicles. Generally the small clear vesicles, it contains glutamate, GABA, glycine, acetylcholine neurotransmitter. Okay, so small clear vesicles, it contains glutamate, glycine, GABA, acetylcholine, these kinds of neurotransmitters. Okay, and the small dense core vesicles, it contains catecholamines, that means epinephrine, norepinephrine. Okay, and the large dense core vesicles, it contains generally neuropeptides like substance P. Simple. So I am telling about three kinds of vesicles. One, first of all, is our small clear vesicles, okay, which contains glutamate, GABA, glycine, acetylcholine. Fine. This glutamate, which is major excitatory neurotransmitter in our central nervous system. Okay, fine. And GABA is major inhibitory neurotransmitter in central nervous system, mainly at the level of brain. And glycine, this is the inhibitory neurotransmitter at the spinal cord level. Yes, at the Rennes-Social level. I will discuss about this in later. And acetylcholine is also present in our central nervous system at various level, and also major neurotransmitter in case of our neuromuscular junction. Okay, fine. Now the small dense core vesicle. So that's all about the small clear vesicle. And then small dense core vesicle, which mainly contains our catecholamines according to Ganong. This is epinephrine, norepinephrine, etc., etc., etc. And large dense core vesicle, it mainly contains our neuropeptides like substance P. Okay, now this synthesis of this large dense core vesicle at the level of where? At the level of cell body, nasal granules. Fine. And there always this large dense core vesicle is synthesized at the level of cell body, and no recycling at the level of axonal terminal, because axonal terminal is totally devoid of our, or there is no nasal granule at the level of axonal terminal. And though there is no nasal granule is present, so there is no protein synthesis at the axonal terminal, so there is no neuropeptide formation at the axonal terminals. Okay, fine. And now look another point which I am already discussed, the synthesis of cell body of neurons. Okay, now then synthesized at the cell body of the neurons initially, and the recycling takes place at the level of neuron terminal. I already discussed about this. Now look here, this is our presynaptic neuron and this is our postsynaptic neuron. Fine. And